We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Landing pages require visuals that capture attention immediately while maintaining trust. Gradient presets provide structured color flows that enhance visual depth and brand professionalism. Using a preset ensures consistency across multiple pages, crucial for business websites targeting audiences in the US, UK, and Canada. The background gradient is applied subtly, complementing the main content. RGB channels are adjusted for color accuracy.